Hey everyone, welcome to Sheeba's Cookery World. Today we will see how to make a very simple chocolate banana smoothie recipe. You can make this for your breakfast or just when you need a sudden boost of energy. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. For this recipe, use Robusta banana. I like my smoothies to be slightly thin, so I have used just one banana. To make it slightly thicker, you can add 2 bananas. Chop the banana and add to a blender. To this, I'm gonna add some cocoa powder. Please don't go by the quantity that's mentioned on the measuring cup, just refer to the text below. Next goes in some honey. You may also add some sugar for more sweetness, few drops of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 cup of milk. Now blend this until it becomes smooth. Add in 3/4 cup of milk to this and blend it again. So totally I have used 1 cup of milk for this recipe. The smoothie is ready, you can pour that into a serving glass. You can also grate some chocolate and add on top. This smoothie is a must-try for all the chocolate lovers because it has cocoa and chocolate in it. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon for notification of new videos.